Today I'm going to be making a cast iron skillet pizza. If you don't have a pizza stone or pizza oven and do have a cast iron skillet, this is the way to go. I'm going to show you how to get a nice crispy bottom crust. No limp pizza here, so let's jump right on in and get started. I'm going to whip up a quick pizza sauce. I'm just using things that I already had in my pantry and refrigerator. I have a 14.5-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes with seasoning. I have about 3 sun-dried tomatoes that I roughly chopped. It's this stuff right here. It is in olive oil. I have a teaspoon of chopped garlic, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and about 1/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. Not too sure you can see it with this white bowl. And we're going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. First thing I need to do is drain the juice from these tomatoes. Okay, I have the juice drained from our canned tomatoes, and I went ahead and poured it into my little food processor. Now we're just going to add all of our ingredients. Now I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead and get my lid on here. I'm going to pulse this now until we have a nice smooth sauce. Okay, let's take a quick peek at our sauce. And there it is, as simple as that. Gotta take a taste. That turned out good. Real good. Now we are just about ready to get our pizza dough rolled out. I am using store-bought pizza dough today. I got this at Fresh Time. I know Walmart, or some Walmarts I should say, carry a pre-made dough. I think it's called Pizza Buddy or something like that. My Walmart does not carry it. Yours may if you wanted to go this route instead of making your own. I just took this out of the fridge. I'm going to let it sit out for a little bit to get more to room temperature. That'll make it easier for me to work with. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to set my oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, our dough is ready. I went ahead and lightly floured my countertop. I'm going to go ahead and start working this dough out with my hands, and I'll probably go ahead and grab my rolling pin. Using a 12-inch cast iron skillet, I'm going to go ahead and take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have not turned the heat on yet. I'm going to go ahead and spread this oil out because we are going to give this pizza crust a head start on the stovetop. This is going to make for a nice crispy crust. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my pizza dough in. Start spreading it out towards the edge. I went ahead where the pizza dough was a little bit thin there. I took a little piece of extra that I had and just put it right here. Did not want that to break open. Okay, now I'm going to take a 1/2 cup of our pizza sauce that we made earlier. And I'm going to go ahead and spread that all around. I have some freshly grated mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to put just a thin layer to start off with on the bottom here. Now I'm going to go in with our Italian sausage. Now I'm going to go in again with more of our mozzarella cheese. And what's a pizza without pepperoni? Okay, now I have my heat on to a medium high. I'm going to let this go for about 4 to 5 minutes. We want a nice golden brown on the bottom of our pizza crust. Okay, I actually let this go for 6 minutes, and I'm trying to get the color for you on camera, but it's just not picking up. But it is a nice golden brown. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to go ahead and pop this in my 500 degree oven on the top rack for about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, this took 9 minutes in my oven. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to take this out without needing any assistance. As you know, cast iron skillets are heavy. Oh, this is going to be easy. This is just going to slide right on out. Ta-da! I'll just get this one right here and stop. Okay, I have you moved here in better lighting. I can show you the bottom here. Okay, I think this is cooled down enough now. I am going to go ahead and take a bite. That is delicious. The crust is nice and crispy. This turned out very well. Jim, do you want to take a bite?
Sure. Hi, everybody.
He's a chomper.
It's good.
How's the sauce?
I like it.
Okay. Okay. You
Yeah,
can...
it's really good. What is this?
What do you mean? What is
Pepperoni
it?
and cheese?
Did you get? Oh, maybe I ate all the sausage off that one. There's sausage on it too. I might have ate it all.
Lots of cheese. It's good.
Okay. So if you don't have a pizza oven or pizza stone and do have a cast iron skillet, this is definitely the way to go. This turned out really good. So since we're on the topic of pizza, if you want to know how I made this taco pizza in my air fryer, you can check it out here. The video below that is whatever YouTube thinks you would like to watch next. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope to see you next time.